how to fix login error on Snapchat on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily fix any error or glitches or bugs and login error as well on your Snapchat on iPhone. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick with this video. First, what you want to do is you want to head into your home page. You want to simply tap on the bottom of your screen and scroll back below. Here on your apps, here what you want to do is you want to head into settings. Now once on settings, what you want to do is here you want to scroll down below and you want to find the option general, right? Once you find general option, you want to simply tap on general option. Now here what you want to do is you want to head into the iPhone storage option that you can see above the background app refresh option. You want to simply tap on iPhone storage option. Once you do so, here all your apps and its storage to load up. You want to scroll down and you want to search in for Snapchat. Now here you can see Snapchat popping up. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you can see app size, you can see documents and data, and below it you can see upload app, and below it you can see delete app. Now what you want to do is you want to simply tap on upload app, and once you tap on upload app, you can see it'll ask you to confirm the upload. You want to simply tap on upload app, and what this does is this will basically remove any glitches and bugs within the app, and this will fix your login error as well. Simply tap on upload app and then open up your Snapchat again, and you want to simply continue to log in. So this way you can fix error or login error on Snapchat on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.